You put all of it.
Hey, Raina.
Oh.
Colson's a boy. Are you a girl?
No.
No? What are you? You're a girl.
No. I'm a boy.
No.
I'm a boy.
Colson's a boy. Raina's a girl.
No.
No.
I am a boy.
You're a punk.
You're extra low. Hey, guys. What you doing, guys? No, bye-bye.
What?
I missed where he was trying by himself.
Oh, okay. Here you go. Now you can do it.
What does he look like?
Yeah, he looks by the snowman. Uh-oh.
Your bear fell.
Yeah. Okay, here, try using two hands to get it on there, okay? That'll help.
He's doing his advent calendar. That's what he's doing.
Hi, Raina.
Hi, you.
Did you do it? Oh, he's looking by the snowman. Did he find Christmas?
No.
Oh, Christmas isn't there. Okay, well, he'll look somewhere else tomorrow.
Maybe
Okay.
it's on the stocking.
Oh,
Whoa.
maybe. So Colson's been asleep for the last like 15 minutes, and he does this funny thing when he sleeps sometimes. He might have actually woken up. Okay, I think he might have actually woken up. But he does this thing where he like just has these laughing fits. And like his eyes are open, but he's totally still asleep. It's like the opposite of a night terror. It's like night giggles. It's super strange. It's also weird because he looks right at you and you're not sure if he's awake or not. It's really creepy.
A little bit. I don't know where your umbrella is.
Is your umbrella?
I don't want to get out the big umbrella. I don't want you guys to accidentally drop him off the balcony. Had to come out here to the balcony because it rained and he really wanted to go to the tennis courts and I really didn't want to deal with that today. So I said they could come out to the balcony and splash here. Maybe I'll see if I can sweep some of the leaves out of the way of the drains.
Where's the drains?
Well, there's one back here behind the bins and there's one over there in the corner, but you can't see them because the leaves are in the way. And yes, I put Raina's socks on the outside of her pants in an attempt to keep her pants from getting too dirty because they're nice pants. She doesn't have any pants that aren't nice. So that was one of the reasons I didn't want to deal with coming outside, but oh well. We had to.
Well, you have your jacket to stay warm.
I do have my jacket, but I'm still cold. I'm shivering. Can you tell from the shaky footage?
My whole self isn't in cool.
Good. I'm glad you're warm. I probably should have at least tried to comb your hair, huh, Raina? Oh well. Whatever. Yeah? Is it splashy?
No.
No. Are you catching some, Colson?
I'm having fun.
Good.
And this one goes here. And this one goes here, I guess. Hey, Mom. The
What?
whole place isn't finished yet.
It's not?
It goes with all of them.
Oh, okay.
Here, you put this on this side. Wow!
Oh no.
That's it. Maybe a newer house.
A newer one? Okay.
This one goes here, and this one goes here. And this one goes here, and this one goes here, and this one goes here, and this one goes outside. This one also goes here, And this one goes here. And this one goes here. And also this one goes here. Ah! See, stay up. Stay. See. Oh, another one of these.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. More big ones, please.
I don't see any more. Well, I guess there's one in here.
Oh, and this, another one of these.
Uh-huh.
It's the place that I made for you yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
On a lot of days ago. Can you take this off of it? This thing. There. Ah! Stay up. Uh-oh. Stay up. Ah! Wait, no.
Wop, wop, wop.
Sarah, you gotta stop playing the game for a minute. We have to open a box.
Oh,
We got a thing from Nana. She sent us a box. She said it's not a Christmas present, so we're allowed to open it now.
and we're totally clueless.
Yeah, we have no idea what is in here at all, except for that she felt like we should have it or something.
She said that it made her think of us, or like she thought we would like it, whatever it is.
So yeah, so we don't know. So this is gonna be fun. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Oh,
Oh.
it's our new trash bag. Thank you, Nana. You're the best. Because our trash bag got stolen a few months ago. And that's so great. And there's a card. Yay, that's exciting. I was just thinking about that earlier today
Yeah.
and how it was gone and sad. Okay, let's see here. That's cursive. Dear Sarah and Chris, this didn't start out as a Christmas box, but since it does carry this note and other stuff for your family, I guess it is a Christmas box. Oops, it is a Christmas box. She told us on Sunday it wasn't. She and Mare were looking for a specific kind of pattern from her stash when she saw these costume patterns. There's a bunch of patterns in here, by the way.
Okay.
Sarah, with your talent for making costumes, I thought you might have more use for them in the future. And while I was sending a box, I decided now would be a great time to include a replacement car trash bag. Which makes me so excited. I've missed our trash bag. I'm also afraid to put it in our car because our last one was stolen. It is a good trash bag. I don't want to lose it.
Just lock the car.
I know. So Merry Christmas, my dear ones. Please use the money. There was money in it.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I was very sly, trying not to show it on the camera. But she mentions it like 3 times in this note, and I failed to skip it this time. Sent with much love, always. Merry Christmas, Nana and Papa. Yeah, there's lots of
Well,
patterns.
that is a lot of patterns. I'm gonna have to have a whole new drawer cart for that.
Yeah, and trash bags for that, because the trash bags that we get here in California are,
You're in frame, don't worry.
okay, it didn't look like it.
I mean, the top of your head's cut off, but
Still?
you can pretend.
Am I still in frame?
No.
Okay.
You just pretend you have hair when I cut off the top of your head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in here.
Okay.
There's so many.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh my goodness.
We'll see if I actually get around to using all of them. That's a lot.
Ooh, that's fun. Oh hey.
Let me see.
My mom totally did use this one. That
Oh,
was
yeah.
my Robin Hood costume.
Yeah,
Like
look at that.
those colors and everything.
Nice.
Okay. We're gonna stick the money and the note together. And we'll start going through
I want to
these.
show the money just because you don't want me to show
Here's
it.
dresses for you.
Dresses.
Dresses. Okay, here's there's Little Red Riding Hood and Robin Hood and a devil and a jester.
Okay. Cool.
And a bunch of cute, fun little girl costumes, like ballerina and cheerleader and like nurse from, like army nurse from back in the day. Here we could be religious people.
Just people.
It's a whole nativity set.
Oh, nice.
Like, that's fantastic. How come we never had any of these? Oh, here's the rest of it. Here's the Roman side of the nativity.
Yeah, this looks like it's supposed to be for like Easter pageants
Yeah.
things, because it's got a Jesus.
Here's
in there.
a whole Peter Pan, Captain Hook stuff.
I see.
These are so cool, Nana. Okay,
Got it.
here's
Now he's gonna expect me to make them all.
all of them, and you have to figure out how to size them up for me. Three Musketeers. Here's a bunch of adult woman costume. Ooh, you could be a cute little Christmas outfit. You could totally make
Christmas
one.
outfit. Fun.
And a little pilgrim girl.
Yeah.
Oh, little princesses and brides, baby brides.
Yeah, so late 80s, early 90s though.
I know, it's adorable. And here's some more Little House on the Prairie. They just keep coming.
Mm-hmm.
This one's like a bib or a smock or...
I don't
This
know
one-
when this one is. Oh, 1986. I was thinking older than that.
I'll
What?
show you in a second. This one, there's a doll one. You could make one for the girl and her doll.
Mm-hmm.
Or for, you know, Mickey Mouse or something. Okay, this is what I laughed at. You ready?
Okay.
Just this kid's face.
Nice.
There's some stretchy
I
overalls.
can do it myself.
Huh?
It says I can do it myself on their back. That's cute.
Here's
Suspenderalls.
we can make matching outfits for when we have twins.
Yeah.
A boy and a girl. This is dresses. And oh yes, little boy suits.
Oh, great.
You have to make little boy suits now.
Great.
And pajamas for kids.
And
And some more pioneer dresses.
I don't think they're meant to be pioneer. They're just
They're,
80s.
they're pioneer
Oh,
dresses.
1990.
See? Pioneer dresses.
No.
Cool kid from back when we were kids. And
86.
more pioneer dresses.
Oh, these are not pioneer. Oh my goodness. Stop it.
Whoa, this one's really thick. I want to know. Some of these oh, I guess it's like a whole big gown cover thing. I don't know.
That still seems really
Sometimes
thick
it's
for
like,
that.
I know, it's like, I kind of wonder if there's more in some of these and less in others. I don't know. Here's a dress. Hey, you can make matching outfits for you and Raina. And here's little short dresses.
Ooh, scandalous.
There's a cute baby. Warm
Could have used
Tim.
this for Raina's dragon costume last year. Instead of-
It's probably too big for that.
Maybe. But
I think the one you did worked great.
it did, but I had to take apart one of her pajamas and put them back together to use as a pattern.
Here's clothes, dresses, vests, and I'm not sure what's in here. All of them are wearing vests though, so that's probably what it is. I remember Sissy having an outfit like this.
Yeah.
And clothes. And I'm assuming it's that dress. And another dress. And another dress. It's a lot of dresses.
Mm-hmm.
Here's another dress. And play clothes.
Quite.
Oh my goodness.
Mm.
It was only $2.
Mm-hmm.
Can you imagine finding one that is normal sale price for $2? That'd be amazing. Oh, now we have to put them all back.
Yeah.
Oops. That was fun. Thanks, Nana. You're the best.
Thank you.